In this video, I will show you how to create a to-do list in Google Keep. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving this video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to keep.google.com and hit enter. Google Keep is a really great tool if you want to stay organized and on track with your daily responsibilities. Once you're here to create a new to-do list, what you're going to do is click right here on this checkbox where it says new list. You can give your list a title, so I'm just going to type in today's date, so May 20th, and then I can start writing every single thing that I have to do today. If you want to add something else, simply click enter and start typing all your things down. Once you have your to-do list ready, you can click on it and select background options to add colors to your notes. You can also add reminders if you want that. So for example, you can pick a time, a date, a location. That way Google can keep you updated with the things that you have to do during the day. Another cool thing that you can do is to add a collaborator. In this case, if you are going to be doing this with someone else, you can simply type in their email and invite them to this specific to-do list. You can also add images in case that is necessary for your collaborator to see. And once you're done, you can simply archive the day so it will go directly under your archives. If you want to pin your to-do list, you can also do that by tapping right here. And as the day goes on and you start completing all your responsibilities, you can simply check those off and they will be automatically put under completed items at the bottom. And that's it. Once you're done and the day is over, you can go ahead and archive your to-do list. And now you can create a new one in case you want to do that. And that's how you can stay organized using Google Keep. Hope that helped.